I'm going to be introducing a new accuracy gunsmithing channel. This is for new gunsmiths and do-it-yourselfers, as well as for experienced gunsmiths and manufacturers who just want to up your game. It's also for competitive shooters who want to learn more about rifle accuracy and how it can help them. So please, like and subscribe, click on notifications, and do all that stuff so you can keep up on the new content that I've got coming out. Please let me know in the comments what things you would like to learn more about, and see what I can do about helping you out with whatever you want to know. So let me introduce myself and tell you more about this channel and what this channel can do for you. Hello, my name is Gordy Gritters. I've been a gunsmith for over 38 years now, and mostly dealing with high accuracy competition type rifles, 1,000-yard bench rest rifles, stuff like that. And I've done general gunsmithing most of that time also. So anyway, I'm starting this YouTube channel, and I've been teaching gunsmithing classes and private classes, group classes for the last 28 years, since 1998. 1997 actually, and doing that right along with all the gunsmithing work and stuff that I've been doing. But anyway, this channel is mainly I'm starting this channel to just kind of continue what I've been doing all these years with all my classes and stuff like that too, is just help people get started. There's a lot of people that love to do-it-yourselfer. I'm a huge do-it-yourselfer, and so that's how I've got what I've got my channel set up to do, and what I've got all my training is for, is just help people get started, learn the basics of gunsmithing, learn how to run a lathe, how to set up a lathe and operate it, how to chamber barrel. That's a huge part of it. I do training on all kind of stuff, but mostly geared around the high accuracy stuff. A lot of people that take my classes have never done any of this stuff before. A lot of people are very experienced, just want to learn how to do their stuff better. So I've got my classes all set up with that. I've got a ton of handout material that I give to people that take my in-person classes anyway. I'm going to start putting a lot of that material online now, and that's what this channel is about. I want to do a lot of tips, tricks, how-tos. The more extensive stuff, it takes lots and lots of time. I'll be making those into online courses that you can go to my website and purchase those. A big part of it is on gunsmithing machines, setting up gunsmithing machines. How to, like a lathe, for example, how to select a lathe, how to set it up, how to level it. I've got an online course about that already. That's on my website. Some of the other upcoming content I'm going to be doing is, setting up a shop, just a basic shop, either at home or a business. If you're going to be a gunsmith, how to, a lot of tips and tricks, stuff I've learned over the years, how to set up a shop, make it very efficient. I got a workbench, for example, that I built multiple workbenches over the years. I think at one time I had like 5 of them, all built the same because they work so well. And so I'll be kind of showing you how to do that. That's just one example of stuff. A lot of rifle accurizing techniques, chambering techniques, dealing with problems. There's so many problems that can happen when you're chambering barrels, and how to deal with that kind of stuff. So that's kind of what my channel is going to be about. In my classes, I've got you can kind of see it here, if you can see it in the camera or not, but I got see the pipe going all the way around the room here, and I've got a real good 4K video camera that I can zoom in. While I'm machining and working on stuff, I can zoom in on that camera and do extremely close, bring like the chamber end of a barrel, the whole thing go blow it clear up onto a big screen TV. I got a great big 4K TV screen that I zoom this stuff up on, that you can see in extreme detail everything that's happening. I got my camera articulated where I can sit down and actually, like when I'm chewing actions, for example, I can go way inside of an action while I'm machining in there, and you'll see everything that's happening while I'm doing that. I talked about my camera system that I use in my classes all the time, and I just got it sitting right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put it up there and kind of show you what I'm talking about. I've just got it mounted on one of these, articulating arms, and I can put it anywhere on this pipe, anywhere around the whole shop basically, and then zoom it in on stuff. But I can lock it in and zoom in on the lathe if I want to put it over there on the mill or over here on the workbench when I'm working on stuff. I can do that. It's just been so helpful when I'm teaching classes to be able to show stuff that I'm working on. So I'll be using that in some of my YouTube stuff also. But yeah, I use it extensively in my classes, especially the group classes where I have multiple people in a class. You can just see so much stuff, so in such detail when I use that. So I've really used that a lot over the years, learned how to do it. And a lot of that was thanks to Gavin Gear from Ultimate Reloader. He came and took a class from me quite a few years ago already. And he's a master at YouTube and cameras and all this kind of stuff. And he says, Gordy, you got to get in the 20th century or something like that. He says, because I had it was a good camera, but it was nowhere near as good as what this one is, and stuff like that. And he said, you got to get with the program. So I learned from him and did that. So that's I'm glad I did too, because that's just helped so much when I increased the quality of the camera and the video stuff that I was doing in the classes. So I thought you might kind of enjoy that. So. But anyway, I just hope that you can, subscribe and follow along with me as we do this stuff. I'm just getting started. I'm teaching myself how to, how to do videos and how to do YouTube and stuff like that. So I'll probably make mistakes on the way, but that's all part of it. And of course, I enjoy learning all that kind of stuff too. But getting back to the gunsmithing stuff, I've been a huge experimenter my entire life. I experiment and test things all the time, and I'm real curious all the time about why things happen the way they do. And when things don't come out quite the way I thought they did, I'll start testing, trying different things. So that's how I've evolved into doing a lot of the stuff I do, is things are different than what I thought they were going to be. So I work until I can find something that gives me a repeatable result when I'm testing. I'm not just guessing that things work. I know they work. And most of the stuff you can do in a home shop. You can do it in a home shop just as well as you can in a manufacturing facility or in a big gunsmithing shop. It's the techniques that make the difference, and it's a person doing it. So often that makes a big difference. If you can do a good job and pay attention to the details, and using high quality components, your stuff's absolutely going to work, and and work very, very well. Your rifles will be very, very accurate. So I'm going to be leading the way, whatever you want to call it, on this channel anyway, showing you my methods of doing things. There's more methods than mine out there for sure that work. I'm not saying my way is the best or the only way by any means, but I will say that the methods that have come up with and the way I do things absolutely work and work very repeatably. I hear this constantly from guys that have taken my classes. They've gone home and started building their own rifles, and just the tremendously good success they've got. Some of the bigger name gunsmiths around the country, a number of them have taken my classes when they first got started. Are doing fantastic now, and so I enjoy seeing that. Other guys either that I built the rifles for, or they built their own rifles, or setting records and stuff in all different rifle disciplines around the country and around the world, really. So I enjoy seeing that also. So, but anyway, the stuff I'll be showing you, it's good basic, high accuracy, detailed gunsmith work that's just going to work for you. So that's just kind of what I'm going to, setting this channel up to show you. So an awful lot of what we'll be covering in these videos too is the tools and equipment that I use and recommend. I've been a big advocate for buying the best equipment you could afford. That's always stood me in very good stead. From all the general purpose tools that you use is just it makes working on things so much easier, and the equipment that you use. I've got now I got Precision Matthews lathes and a milling machine that have just been wonderful to work with, and also the true bore alignment system. We'll be talking more about that in another video, and you'll see me using that on some of this stuff too. That's just a great tool that I have one. I've had one for years and years, and I've used it a lot, and just works so good. But and then just the measuring equipment you're going to use, the dial indicators and micrometers and stuff like that. I've got Starrett and some of the other high-end stuff that I'll be using a lot. So you'll be seeing that. Yeah, just all those things will be helpful to you. So All right, I just thought I'd show you just a quick overview of the shop here. You'll see my my tools, equipment, workbench, stuff like that. Just the main part of my shop here. It's the same stuff I'll be using in the on my YouTube channel, and also people when you come here for classes, you're going to be using the same equipment too. So I thought I'd just give you a quick overview of this. Okay, we'll start right here. This is the main workbench that I work off of. Over there's a lathe, the Precision Matthews HVT2, 1440 HVT2. See my camera system. I can put it on anywhere on this whole track, play around the shop. And it zooms in on that big screen TV there. And I use that extensively when I'm teaching classes. It works so good for that. And I got a Precision Matthews, the 9x49 milling machine there, with variable frequency drive, and a TL 1440V lathe from Precision Matthews. Yeah, Precision Matthews has been very helpful getting me these machines. They're supporting me doing these classes and doing the YouTube channel and stuff like that. So they've been very helpful helping me get these machines. So you'll be seeing and using those a lot. It's got a true bore alignment system chuck on it right there. That's fantastic chuck for dialing in barrels. Anyway, there's a Grizzly mill drill. I've used that for years. Works really well for doing a lot of stuff. And it's got another workbench over here. But that doorway right here, that goes back into another part of my shop here. My bluing tanks are, my Cerakote, my Cerakote spray booth and stuff like that. There's a Cerakote oven, that gun safe back there in the corner. That's a Cerakote oven. When I'm doing Cerakoting, I don't do a lot of it, but when I do it, it works real well for that. So that's just the basic overview of the shop here. And this whole room here looks an awful lot smaller in the camera. Let me move the camera back a bit. I'll be getting chairs and stuff set up in here this week. I got a class coming up next week. I think I got like 8 or 10 guys coming in, and I'll be setting up chairs for that and getting ready for the class next week. So anyway, I thought you might enjoy seeing the shop here. Thanks. The way that you can get to my website, I got a couple different addresses from a website, is extremeaccuracyinstitute.com or gordysprecision.com. They both go to the same address. There's also gordysgunsmithshop.com, which goes to the same address also. I got three different ways of doing that, but extremeaccuracyinstitute.com and gordysprecision.com are the two main addresses that I use. So anyway, just go to my website and you'll see the content I've got there and kind of where things are at. So, and I'll try to, put the link down below if I can figure out how to do that properly. But yeah, hit the like button, the subscribe button, whatever you do with this, and hope to see you down the road as we go along. Thank you.